What's up, guys? Stas here. So it's been a couple of days since our last Palantir stock update, and I figured, hey, why not? Let's do another one. Let's break down the charts, go over key levels, talk about how the stock's been doing as of late, and I want to break down with you guys what I'm looking to do with Palantir stock. So if y'all find value, smash that like button. Feel free to subscribe. It's free. You might as well follow me on Twitter as well, at Stas Talk Stocks, link down below. And if you want some free money for Moo, why not? It's free money, guys. Use that link down below, or go to StasSurfS.com/Moo. Open up your account and fund it with your initial $100 deposit. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and you get a free share of SoFi stock as well. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000 on top of those 6 stocks you already got, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, each up to $2,000, guys. So what are you waiting for? Get your stocks from Moo, link down below. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. It's currently about 1:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Palantir stock up a nice 1.5%, up a little bit over 25 cents per share on the day. And you guys can see we are now pushing to almost $19 per share. In fact, we were over 19 bucks earlier in the day. You guys can see we hit what, $19.17 at about 11 a.m. on the East Coast, so about an hour and a half ago. Actually, no, 2.5 hours ago. Geez, guys, can I even count today? 2.5 hours ago, we hit that point, and now we're at 1880. So we have pulled back a little bit intraday, about, let's see, about 3%, right, or 2%. But still, we're up 1.3, 1.4% on the day, which is pretty good so far for Palantir. And as we peel back the layers a bit on the charts, we're going to notice how we're actually taking out the highs from not only yesterday, but also from the last couple of weeks. Take a look at this, guys. Bear with me. On the 5-day chart, we can see we have officially taken out the highs from yesterday, where we peaked at about, let's see, $19 all pre-market. And once the markets opened yesterday, I'm not sure if you all remember, but Palantir did take a bit of a hit. It went from 19 down to about, oh wow, it actually went under 18 bucks per share. It went down to $17.90. So that was a sell-off of around 6% from pre-market, where again, it was at 19 bucks all the way down to about $17.90. So we did take a haircut in the morning, or not even in the morning. Well, I guess it was in the morning, but really, it was the first half of the day yesterday where Palantir took a beating, and then it ended up recovering into close. It rallied about 3.5%. It closed in the mid-18s, which was a very good sign, or very good move there for the bulls, because you guys can see, if I come over here and show you all what happened last week on Thursday and Friday, you guys can see on Thursday and Friday we actually held above 1780, 18 bucks roughly, maybe not so much on Thursday, but we did on Friday. We held 1780, 18 bucks, and we rallied off that point. And the fact that we actually held that again yesterday, we didn't fall through 1780. We didn't fall through that point. That's a good sign for the bulls. You guys can see, if I draw it out here, the fact that we held that support is very, very good. And now you're noticing we're rallying again off that point, and we're making these higher lows, if you guys can see, very slight, but we are nonetheless making these higher lows, right? You guys see what's going on here. And again, we took out the highs from the last couple of days. And if I draw out, let's say on this, well, if I extend or expand rather the chart here to the 4-hour time frame, we can now see we're clearly above the highs from the middle of last month. At this point, from about a month ago, you guys can see we're above those highs, very clear, which those highs were at about 1850. We clearly broke out of those highs last week, and we actually maintained them today as support. We're rallying off them as as support today, which is really good. And looking at this time frame, we can see the next main resistance that we have here on Palantir stock is at $20 to about $20.25, which you all obviously should know at this point, or maybe not, I don't know. That was the high from the beginning of August of this year, right? A couple of months ago, we hit that point, failed, and went all the way back down to $13, and now here we are breaking back out. So this is the window that we're trading in right now, obviously, right, guys? Between 1850 roughly as support, and resistance at about $20 to about $20.25. So this, in my opinion, is gearing up. Palantir is gearing up for a move back towards 20. In my opinion, I'm not telling you guys for sure it's guaranteed. Nobody knows what's going to happen, obviously. But in my humble opinion, we're getting ready for that breakout, and I think it's coming if we're able to take out 19 to about $19.25, which is actually where I'm looking to pick up this stock, Palantir, as a trade, right? If we do break above 19, right, and honestly, 19.25, let me set my alert there as well. Mark is that we're above 19.25. If we do start breaking these points, guys, we could catch an initial move towards $20, which isn't that big of a move. I mean, it's only 75 cents to about $1, so it's not like, we're predicting a $10 move or something crazy like that. So it's not too far-fetched, in my opinion, for this to make a move to 20. And then the million-dollar question is, where is it going to go after it breaks 20? If it breaks 20, of course, again, it's not guaranteed. But if we do break $20.50, which is roughly the high from August, beginning of August, we could start moving towards, in my opinion, coming here to the 3-year chart, we're going to be trading in this window right here, which you guys probably remember, maybe not. I'll tell you right now, this window right here is where we traded pretty much all of 2021. You guys can see Palantir in 2021 was between $20 to about $28 pretty much the entire year. Then towards the end of the year, we dumped under $20. Then that started the downtrend of 2022, which got Palantir stock all the way down to about $5, more towards the beginning of this year, I believe. But either way, this is where we're starting to get towards again, right? $20, $19.50, $20.50. This is a massive spot, which, again, we traded all 2021 in this range. This is where we're probably, I don't want to say for sure, probably even. I mean, we don't know. Again, it's not guaranteed. But I'm speculating here. This is where Palantir could be going next, right? Between $20 to $25, maybe $27, $28 in due time. So I'm looking to really play that breakout. I'm looking to get in on this, on the breakout above 19.25, like I said. Maybe catch a move to $20 initially, sell out, then maybe wait and see if we do break fully above $20, get back in, re-enter, right? That's kind of the way I'm looking at it right now with Palantir. And ultimately, I would not be surprised if we were to get towards the mid-20s at some point. Maybe not in the next month or who knows when, but over the next 3 to 6 months, I would not be surprised if we did make a move like that on Palantir. And I'm looking to capitalize on it with a trade, like I said, above, if we start breaking above these levels. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, as always, guys. And let me show you quickly what's going on with these indexes right now. We have all the indexes up except for the Russell yet again, which is selling off today, guys. Russell is down 0.4%, down 7 points, and that's building off the losses from yesterday where it went down, I think, 1.3% on the day, something like that. Make sure to correct me down below in the comments, guys, if I'm wrong. But yeah, that's continuing the sell-off. It looks like, we're on the brinks of falling back under 1,700 points, 1,710, which was support for months. Then we broke under it a couple weeks ago. We got down to about 1,630. So it looks like we're going to be testing the low 1700s yet again. We have Triple Q, which tracks the NASDAQ 100. This is up over 1%, looking pretty good. It's up over $4. And look at this, guys. It looks like the markets are getting to a very critical spot, which it looks like we're getting there. 375, which was the high from the middle of October, and it's also at the top of this channel, which, let's be honest, we're starting to peak above this channel, guys. Looking pretty good here on Triple Q. And SPY on the day is up, let's see here, guys, about 0.4%, also starting to peak above this channel and heading towards a huge resistance at about 440. Will it break? Will it fail? Time will tell, but it sure looks like bulls are gaining momentum right now, and it looks like the Dow is up about 0.2%. You guessed it, also testing the top of this channel. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe because we're going to be doing a lot more content on stocks, the markets here, the indexes, and if you want to see follow-ups on these different stocks, on the indexes, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you might as well follow me on X as well at Stocks Talk Stocks. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo, guys. Again, if you fund your account with at least $100 using that link down below, you get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and you get a free share of SoFi stock as well. And listen to this, guys. If you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. So I'm telling you guys, this is a no-brainer. Use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all later.